Good morning, boys and girls. I trust that you are well today. Now we're going to continue with our solid shapes today. And today we're going to be looking at the cube. We are going to be looking at the cube today. Anybody can tell me what you have learned so far about your solid shape? Yes. Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at another solid shape and we are going to be looking at the cube. So I'm going to allow you to look at a video and from there we will have our discussions and we will continue. Thank you. Let's pay attention when we're looking at the video.
This is a 3D shape and it's called a cube. A 3D shape that's really cool. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and this. Its height, width, and depth are equal. And they're seen all around the world by lots of people. A 3D shape that's called a cube. Here are some things that have the shape of a cube. Dice can have the shape of a cube. A box can have the shape of a cube. Blocks can have the shape of a cube. An ice cube can have the shape of a cube. This is a 3D shape and it's called a cube. A 3D shape that's really cool. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and this. Its height, width, and depth are equal. And they're seen all around the world by lots of people. A 3D shape that's called a cube. A cube has 6 faces. A cube has 12 edges. A cube has 8 vertices. This is a 3D shape and it's called a cube.
Okay, pupils, so you would have looked at the video and the video spoke about which solid shape? Yes, Ryan. Yes, a cube. Very good. Very good. Anybody can tell me how many faces? Anybody? Yes, 6 faces. Very good. Very good, Sarah. How many edges? I'm waiting. Yes, 12 edges. Very good. 12 edges. How many vertices? Yes, 8 vertices. Very good. Yes. So we identify the solid shape. It's a cube. We identify that they have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The video also showed some items that are cubes. Could anybody identify some of them? Yes, a dice. They showed ice cube. Yes, a gift box. A Rubik's. Yes, those are some very items that were used. So look at this gift box. You think you could identify the faces? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this flat part, those are your 6 faces. Let's go to your edges. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have your 12 edges and you have your vertices. So we have those points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have them there. We have some other cubes here for you to see. You have your Rubik's. We have another dice. And we have cubes, right, that we cook with. We have dice. These are all cubes. These are all cubes. Now, apart from that, we have the net of a cube here. I hope you can identify because all of you will be given one so that you can make your solid shape. So when I put it together, I will have the shape of a cube. All right. Before I give you the worksheet, let's go to the chart, parts of a solid shape. It says solid figures are described using the number of faces, edges, and vertices they contain, and we just identify them. A face is called a side, and I just identified with that give box. That is a flat surface of a solid figure. An edge is where the two faces meet. Then a vertex, or we say vertices for plural, is a corner where the angles or points, where two or more points they will meet together. All 3D shapes have three measurements. They have the length, they have the width, they have height, and it also occupies space. I repeat, 3D shapes or 3D figures have length, width, height, and they occupy space. Now, I want to give you some worksheets. So, group one, you will put an X on the object that has the cubes. The next group, group two, you will put the faces, edges, and vertices of the cube. And group three, you will identify the faces, the edges, and the vertices you see on the solid shape. So I'm going to share this out and then we're going to mark and then I'm going to give you your homework. Very good, Alex. You have 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Very good. So I give you A plus. Very good job, Alex. Maria, A plus for you as well. You identify the give box, the cube, the Rubik's, the ice cube, and so forth. Yes, you identified all of them. Good job, Maria. Yes, Lucy. Yes, you put your 6 faces, your 12 edges, and your vertices. Very good. So thank you very much, boys and girls, pupils all. I want you to remember that it's always important for you to do homework. So you're going to go to your process of learning mathematics. You're going to go to your process of learning mathematics, page 76 page 76 and you're going to go to exercise 1.5 and you're going to do that activity as your homework. Enjoy your day, pupils, and I trust that you will continue going through your solid shapes. Bye for now.